Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 10 HOE-Commodities 1.1. In its project description, you are a financial analyst for a brokerage firm. Your manager want to analyze community sales pattern of the top 5 broker for the first quarter. Unfortunately, the data required to complete the analysis are distributed among the several key data sources. You receive basic broker information through an email and transaction information from an access database, and you need to retrieve the real time Nasdaq trading information from the web. You do not want to simply copy and paste the data in the worksheet. You want to connect and transform data in the Excel so that constantly changing values are always to date. You want to create data visualization to provide a spectral information and a business dashboard. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Exp22 Excel chapter 10 HOE committed. I have already opened this file. That's our file. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, and information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Canvas courses, Pearson courses, Pearson Plus courses, or Cengage courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode which is given in the front of at the start of the video and at the end of the video. So we will move to our second step. Our second step is you have to list a client information stored in a CSV file. You want to use and get transform data Power Query to import file so that information will update it, add new clients, edit, use get and transform Power Query to import a client info, load the data and rename the newly created worksheet as a clients. So we will copy this. We will go to the sheet. We will go to the data tab, and here we will go to the from file from text or CSV file. Now it will show the CSV files. In this I have put the CSV file in the desktop in the new folder. Here is the CSV file. What we need to do, we need to get E10 H1 client info CSV. So we will client info CSV, that's our file. We will import that one. It's now connecting. We need to load this into a file and make this sheet name as a clients. That's our clients file. Our third step is all community transactions are stored in the SS database. You will use get and transform tools to import this data while maintaining a connection to the database. You want to use the Power Query editor to shape the data. Use get and transform to import the transaction table from the E10 transaction adopt load the data as a new worksheet. So we will go to the data tab, and here we will go to the get data from a database from Microsoft Access database. Here we will go to the desktop, and in the new folder we will get transactions transactions data transaction data import. It's connecting with the transaction data transaction table. We will load the transaction table in the Power Query editor. That's our Power Query editor. You see we have got the transaction data here. That's our third step. Our fourth step is the database table you imported contained the data that was incorrectly formatted. You will use the Power Query editor to reformat the data. In addition, a co-worker created a list of broker contract information as a tab delimiter in the notepad. You will use a Power Query editor to shape the data by splitting the column and providing a unique data before importing to the Excel. Use the Power Query Editor to change the data type of the data field in the transaction query for the date and time to the date format and purchase price and selling price field to the currency. So we will go to the date and time. That's our date and time. We will select this one and make this one change the data type to only date. That's our date. And what he is saying, and purchase price and selling price to field to the currency. Purchase price and selling price, we will go to the purchase price and selling price. That's our purchase price. We will change the data type to currency, and also selling price, change data type to currency. That's our step. Use the get and transform data to load the broken info. So we need to load this one, close and load this one as a new table. So we have got the transaction data here in the new file. Use get and transform data to load the data broker info text in the Power Query Editor. So we will go to again to the data tab and we will get from text or file. So we will go to the desktop and in the new folder we will go to the import info broker. So we will go to the import. It's now making the results in the Power Query Editor. So we will use in the transform data to make it in a Power Query Editor transform data. What he is saying, use the tab as a delimiter, separate the name column using space as a delimiter by splitting the column leftmost occurrence. So rename the newly split column name 1, name 2, first name and last name. So we will split this one column 1 to split column as a, we will import new data from desktop broker info import. We will transform data and what he is saying, space as a splitting at the leftmost occurrence. So we will split this data by delimiter by space as a delimiter space as a by leftmost occurrence. So we will select here leftmost delimiter and press OK. So we have got our results like that. So split rename the newly split column name 1 and name 2 as a first and last respectively. So we will copy this and make this column as a first and other as a last. That's our step. We have total 12 steps of this assignment. I have performed 4 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the first of the video and at the end of the video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.